Welcome to our fourth video tutorial, and in this particular video tutorial we are going to introduce the concept of variables. We are going to introduce the concept of variables in Python programming language. So we are going to look at basically two things in this video tutorial. That is, we shall define what a variable is, and also we shall write a very small program which utilizes the concept of variables. So let us get started with the definition of a variable. You can think of a variable as a container which is used to hold a value. For instance, if you want to declare a variable, for example, if you want to declare a variable, you give it the name. First, you must give the name of the variable. You give the name of the variable, then you assign the value. On your left hand side, you assign a value. So a variable has got two sides. That is, on your left hand side here you give the variable name, and on your right hand side you give the value which is going to be contained in that variable. Hopefully maybe you've understood what that means. Then the other thing, that was an analogy of the variables. Let's say another main reason as per why you are using variables in your program, it is that you might need to store values temporarily because the information might be manipulated. You might want to reformat some of the text or the values which are being supplied by the user, or you combine them with the information contained in other variables so that you can get a piece of information. So those are some of the reasons as per why you might want to utilize variables in your program. So let us jump straight into the program. As you can see from here, I've already opened that particular program which we utilized, we created from our earlier video tutorial. So just create a space, and I want you to give that variable name. Let's create a variable called greetings, and inside the greetings we are going to store the value, the string, that is the greetings hello world. After we've created that, now we want to display the contents which are contained in the greetings. Just pass the term greetings to the print module. Save your work and just run your program. As you can see, it has given us the output as hello world. You can also manipulate this and greet somebody. Let's say, let us make these greetings of ours to be flexible. There we want to greet somebody, so let us make this one to greet Mr. Hello, Mr. Programmer. So that is the value we have there. Just save your work and run the file. So that is a very simple program that shows you how to display values which are stored in a variable. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification panel. And if you've got any suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the video comments below. Thanks for watching.